Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. We know that Indian Navy is looking for a carrier-based aircrafts under its multi-role carrier-borne fighter program, and this is to complement its fleet of Russian-made MiG-29K fighter jets. According to this particular RFI, these fighters are supposed to perform many tasks like air-to-air combat, surface attack, anti-submarine warfare, search and rescue, weather observation, and it should also be a day and night all-weather capable aircrafts. These new fighters, which are planned to be inducted, would be deployed on the INS Vikramaditya and INS Vikrant aircraft carriers. INS Vikrant, which is also called the Indigenous Aircraft Carrier 1, is under construction at Cochin Shipyard Limited in Kochi, Kerala. We all know that the current carrier-based aircraft MiG-29K, which is operated by Indian Navy, entered service with the Indian Navy during 2010, and there are currently around 40 of them in service. The Mikoyan MiG-29K is an all-weather carrier-based multi-role fighter aircraft developed by the Mikoyan Design Bureau. The main two contenders which are hoping to win this particular RFI are the Rafale M from Dassault Aviation and the Boeing Super Hornet Block 3 variant. As per the recent happenings and agreement signing between India and the United States, it looks like India has become very close to United States recently. Even during the recent United States and India's 2+2 dialogue meeting, the United States signed a basic exchange and agreement for geospatial cooperation. I have uploaded a separate video regarding the basic exchange and agreement of geospatial cooperation, and I have provided the link for the same in the details section of this particular video. The United States and India relations have steadily improved as both these countries seem a very common threat from China, and due to this, there are chances that India can go for Boeing Super Hornet fighters for Indian Navy's requirement. Not just that, there is also another reason behind this, and this is to save Boeing's defense business by giving such orders. Both United States Air Force and United States Navy are more interested in making the transition to fifth generation Lockheed Martin F-35 fighters, and there doesn't seem to be much orders for the Boeing F-15 and F-18. The only big order Boeing has in its hand is the $9.2 billion contract for a new training jet for the United States Air Force. So in such a situation, India being the close defense customer, the United States might be looking for an order for Boeing Super Hornet Block 3 fighters. I am not sure if this deal would be happening or not, but there is a possibility. Since United States aircraft carriers use the catapult launch systems, the Boeing Super Hornet utilized a ground-based ski jump at Naval Air Station Maryland to demonstrate the capability of Super Hornet on a short takeoff but arrested recovery configured aircraft carrier. And these type of aircraft carriers are the one which is operated by Indian Navy. According to Boeing Vice President, the Boeing Super Hornet has gone through rigorous tests for ski jump and the performance has been more than expected. I'm not sure why India is hesitating so much to go for Boeing Super Hornet Block 3 fighters, as this is indeed a very powerful and proven fighter for the aircraft carriers. It is always good to have business with different countries, as we already know that there is a deal of France due to the Rafale fighters, and we do have enough weapons and fighters from Russia, so now it's a good chance to go for United States-made Boeing fighter jets. So that was a quick update and information on the possibility of Boeing Super Hornet fighters to be part of Indian Navy very soon. But as I said before, nothing can be predicted or confirmed as of now. We need to just wait and see how the carrier-borne aircraft's deal goes through and which fighter finally lands on the aircraft carrier of Indian Navy. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.